Hey guys, so in this video we're going to make a line graph. So in the last two videos we made a bar graph that shows changes between different groups. We're going to work with line graphs that's better for showing change over time. So here I have a different data table. This one's really showing change over time. So depending on the experiment you're doing, you might want to choose different types of graphs. But this one was studying the height of the bean plant with different amounts of water and sunlight over a few days. So there are three different kinds of plants. This one had no sun, no water. This one had some water, some shade, and this one had more water and full sunlight. So we want to show the difference between the three over this period of time here. So the first thing you're going to do is go ahead and click on this section that says bar chart, and we're going to change it to line plot. Okay. Now let's go ahead and choose our x-axis. Now, if we want to show change over time, the x-axis is going to show the date. So let's go ahead and fill in the dates here. So put 12, 15, 15, 12, 16, 15, 12, 17, 15, and 12, 18, 15. Alright, so that's going to be the change over time. Okay, each day, what is it going to look like? Now let's do the y-axis. So go ahead and click on choose as y. And for the y-axis, remember the x-axis is going horizontally, the y-axis is going vertically. The y-axis, we're going to show the height of the plant. So let's focus on just this set of data. So here I filled out the values for each date. So on 12/15/15 we had 0 inches growing, so we put 0 here. Let's go on to 12/16, we had 0, so let's put 0 here. And on 12/17 we had some plants growing. It grew 0.5 inches, so we're going to put 0.5 here. And on 12/18 we had 0.5 inches, so we're going to put 0.5 here. Okay, once you enter that, I want you to go ahead and click on that button that says line plot. When you do, it should take you to a graph that looks like this. Let's go ahead and give our line graph a title. Now, our graph is showing us the height of the plant over time when there's no water and no sun, right? So that's what we're going to call it. Height of bean plant over time, with no sun and no water. Okay. Over here, the y-axis, let's click here. The y-axis is showing us the height of the bean plant. So we're going to put height of bean plant. The x-axis is showing us the date. So let's go ahead and put date. You can also put time, but it's actually date, so we're going to put date. And that's it. There's your first line graph. Go ahead and click on the share button here, and I would like for you to save the file and share it with me via email. Thanks.